Hi, so this video is going to be about can you be addicted to a person like a drug? And stay tuned for more information. Hi, if you don't know who I am, I'm Sindy V King. I'm a creator of Calling My King. I have transformed women to create lasting love through Vedic astrology, neuroscience, and transactional analysis so that she becomes the queen of love. And we are really specifically talking about, can you be addicted to a person like a drug? And the simple answer is yes. There is a backup with biochemistry about it. And I'll make a separate video about breaking down those chemistry, what it's going to feel like. I might call it being addicted to the bad boys or something like that. But stay tuned for that video because I think it's so key and it's so important how your body works, how it functions, and have a full control of it, especially when you are dating. So that's what I call free will right there. So we're going to be specifically talking about, can you be addicted to a person like a drug? And yeah, there's a few things that can trigger it. So there's a reason why I made a video about no contact and what happens in a no contact. You're going through a detox. And when you go through a detox, things are going to not feel so great, but we have to substitute with other activities or things in your life so that you can make enough. Dopamine is one of them. Serotonin is another one. Oxytocin is another one as well that really affects you. When you are being intimate with somebody, yes, those hormones is going to be a huge factor and it's going to play a big role of it. Even smelling them, even hearing their voice can make you totally feel like out of control and feel totally love crazy. And honestly, this is not your fault. I want you to use free will here when you are going through a detox and tell yourself, write a letter or contract with yourself that no contact during this time period and what to do afterwards after the 8-week component. I made another video about that too. So key of this, yes, when we are estrogen prone, that means you have not hit menopause, it is going to play a big role how you view love as well. So when we are in estrogen base, we're more likely wanting to bond, but when we're in menopause, we're going to be taking more of an action of doing things than so much for in the feeling component. I'm not saying like once you hit menopause you have no feeling, absolutely not. You're still a component of it being a female. Things are changed in your body, and it depends where you are in your cycle and if you are having any of your cycle to begin with. This is part of the component of it. Yes, somebody can be addicted through hearing, seeing as well, right? And being in contact, touching, and that could be through text message or their name. You see them pop up. You need to go through a really heavy detox in your body. And I think that's really key and vital. So anyways, so that's something that I want to share with you. And I have so much great videos out there. And I want you to go ahead and binge watch those videos because that information is so key, and that's free will right there. What's going on with your body, what's going on in your love life, and why do I feel so crazy about this? You know, infatuation is also equally addictive too. We have these biochemistry for a reason. We're a human being. We want to be connected with other people, and definitely we want to find true love. And the way that we find true love is using these tools here that I'm providing you information so that you can connect to the right person. And if you already didn't know, I also have a membership group here on YouTube. Definitely go ahead and subscribe. I answer your Q&A and I sometimes post new videos, and I do help with dealing with trauma as well. So that is all I have to say for this video, but I'll see you in the next one. And I love to hear your story if you are addicted to somebody, and how long does it actually wear off for you, and that has to do with the grieving stage as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.
Look, if you're serious about being fearless in love and ready to be treated like a queen, links is down below to book a time. I got over 100 videos on YouTube and I post new videos every week. So make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You get notified when new videos goes live. If your friend is actually stuck in love, share and like my video. I do take requests on topics and answer your burning question about your relationship. So just leave a comment down below. Otherwise, see you in the next video.